YouTube in Sha TV. House of Folk at the ticket no. So also create game ni be a honsam no at the aba. And I love the graphica. Now according to House of Folk no. Almost popular stand almost G30 cities. Center line 60 cities. Lower VIP no. No almost charge 200 cities. And upper VIP no 350 cities. And VVIP no eno 500 cities. Ebeto dwam who reactions ni bibri. Ebiso 30 ni de any system no popular ne central and the normal 30 system is okay. But from the lower upper VIP and a VVIP them say 100 say adiana no de do because 200 350 500 for a local game there. I'm the bugum kaka.
Rich. A dear be an boy or dimbiano. I just say, and your honor will belong to.
Okay.
A taka say more streetness, I say, shall come up and when you be an S1 for size.
Covadia broso.
See, would you say VIP honung in a nebodia?
Got transcendent line. And I could put
30 system. Ti do si kabeso no. Na dia ko super clash ni bi. Me nya dia o se odi nwachi ni ebepre.
Okay.
Sa wo ko Accra Sports Stadium akohe game na. Rich, there's 30 cities there ho. And there's 60. And baby abetina bi abo no say we hu ni yie.
Sure.
Dia Coastal Stadium will be you see it. Enti I don't want Obia to stretch the argument of boarding and find discouraging.
Support the Mboko Stadium.
Dabi.
And yet, I
think that the price is a distributed war. So, qua.
Also, no, Diano. Pekiano.
No, I no, should be. Rich. Game here, Babu. Whether a coincidence or say a deal. But the first reason why we a football fan, we a Kotoko, we a Hasini, and what's a Omasa game we down privately listen so and say, Rich, so far in the Ghana Premier League about this season, 2 teams pay and Omuntesti defeats Has and Kotoko. Ghana Premier League na 20 teams no. 2 teams pay and will be to me share this season Has and Kotoko. Rich, what it means and say Sunday way it is either Has and Kotoko attesting the first defeat and now Kotoko Has attesting the first defeat. Rich, me game will be a draw. I don't
as
wish
AI official and saying
I don't wish
a draw.
I don't wish for this game to be a draw.
At least Bakun sharing your
Baku and stop it Baku unbeaten streak no.
And yet Yentia say a crown more fast or put you give me. Kwame Oparado, Ekasa de House of Folk. I say yes or no be a league match. Na league match I mean say the normal preparation now obey now the akwakobo. But also where you Kotoko neba no.
Of course.
And said the Ayala woka no. Kotoko you beating, almost as you beating. Amon pese bebo game the baby no. When I say House of Oak unbeaten record you say omo ankasa enemies. Kotoko never say no. Debi amon person better sa ade no kra. Into the bragging right in our game no. And the man game ni big. Na osia de bi ho no ma eno na ginger House of Oak kosiada on beso mu gina so no mo she Kotoko e de ba de a yentie kasama for de ma aye House of Oak Kwame Oparado na yentie osia approach ni ti say
Yes, yeah, one my fan. Just some 3 days away from now, and then it will be 11th. That will be our anniversary. Apart from the fact that it's a Premier League fixture, that you have to always make sure that you're bragging right and the point out there, you fight for it and you do everything for it. It's our anniversary. We're coming for any man. You have something valuable to show. I feel yeah, you want to demand supporters in here. And then you know, come home to you may be reward our supporters. Every more jerseys, more free tickets, jerseys, and all of that. It is part of that. But if it's the time to celebrate our anniversary, and it's collectively, then I get involved. If you do on the 11th from, if it's not, I say collectively, we are in the Chefano. At the puppy, if you move by, they will celebrate it.
Okay. Eti kwame Prado say so you the bragging right aspect na 20 ya. House of Folk do my anniversary. An anniversary is our company for any ma de ba ko pa. Obeti bi de akodi nkomo yi ene so ahye Kotoko.
Rich, unim say. Na ma adwene nko ho.
Okay.
But the game is 2 days away from her birthday.
Okay.
Enti say 2 ways. Say Kotoko she hasa. Rich. Ebe painful papa.
Anniversary na me be ka dem.
Oh, so Kotoko she hasa. In 2 days when every radio station will be talking about and then has birthday, Rich, they will only laugh at them and say, oh, now say 2 days today, you come. The other side knows and say, Rich, has to say there's a spiritual connotation to the number 11 for them. And until 11 has infant grown. Rich, why do you also say this super clash is being played in the 11th month? In November.
Yeah.
11th month. And you're only 2 days away from Haas' birthday. And see, Haas' approach to this game, imagine, say, after the super clash, in 2 days' time, Haas has celebrated her birthday, and they've just won against Kotoko. Just 2 days ago. Just imagine. How a celebration is.
Also gift to be anywhere at there's a the anniversary. No Kotoko. They supported be our supported be open.
But the other
first can show but
the other way around was say, Rich, I dear be anywhere be Kotoko for that. So I tell you say 2 days to Haas' birthday. Not every Haas it do birthday no mean to me because just a fresh hangover and omukuta.
Give me bed.
I'm telling you.
Mubed the rough.
It's a very, very nice time to play this super clash. And your parents, apart from the unbeaten streak, has given us another very, very interesting. And the upper was here, so Rich, yeah, the Casa game we want some. Rich, we are not so free. Since I did buy, sir, Waboko 2. Olusu bako, washa bako. Ese bosu mani mkaya kone mprensa. Till the third game is going to be fire. The last time, did the win no, Kotoko no, was against Karim Zito in a Gaka top 4. Karim Zito was also rich. It's on record to have said, nobody beats him twice. Until home I won't share for some Mati from Kotoko company for business say, top 4 they say na a pre-season. But the house for him and they say 2 of Omukotis Nina were former employees of our club. And the house for say, na someone say Shamwa. They all jam bench over bre. Is Tony Hamza. So I Jumama Yepen. Tisamusimunimi Gazali and Nimzi Didi Dramania. Yes, we Nimzi to Pa and Hamza. Rich, there's too much of familiarity. There is too much of rivalry. There is too much of bragging rights. And Okaning in Aboma, Rich, there is too much at stake for this super class. and no man stick a dozen. Now, minim say ya build the call. Now, minim say, men follow some come Rich, say uko Europa. This season, every team be any player be a obo for the club will be a no. Rich, the entire all picture the performance move back up is to be part of the team for the World Cup. Rich, ye chiemu tanya. World Cup na ye bekono. We will have local players joining the team. And Rich, Otuado money, Shalfa money, you say, Omubenya a consideration for a local player. Rich, I think say the platform for the biggest local game
is this
gives the players the opportunity. But they will be there.
And with them.
And if you perform in the biggest game, Rich and check. They will be making their final decisions on local player then they call World Cup, no. And your name will be so fresh in their memory to consider you. And apart from the OBA show game, supporters, team, no. Rich, individual players, no. Individually. Oh, Nancy, I said, Matisse and Gofa started na Hube Jew for Black Stars. Rich, the Hube Jew, if he should take the super class by storm. Afei ne omo argument man no. Emu na be do. Say Charlie Abrantia no ne money mo obo nyina no. Osai call the biggest stage on the local scene. He delivered. And go for saying, oh, they say who be Jody and the Nancy. But Hussein has been doing it consistently for us. Rich, if it is true, Hussein super midfielder for House of Folk. This is the biggest game. We are getting closer to the final decisions as players then in form World Cup deliver. And the players no different motivation cry. Say match where your match ubon humo dia Rich. Udi can go for trim. Udi can radio presenters ano. Udi can omo mu di Ghana football nkomo. And when the time comes, me BM say yeah, per local players, ya carry blasters no World Cup. Why me unfair? Rich, this game will inspire your debate and your name a lot if you are able to perform a woman. And yet easy.
Someone Badu, I say, Kotoko will give the House of Oak a beautiful 2-1 win.
Okay.
Birthday present. Tears will flow while they cut their birth kick. And the game a birthday, and unim Europa Kwa. You both game new pa beba.
Yeah.
House of Folk side hono. So we to share Kotoko. As one man can say, the way women and as you call what could. Is that your mom? So Kotoko to me share house. Then almost what can say, what could show you more saying. Namu to jubilate. Yeah, I bet you movie.
Go to say tickets here. I know just say helpful.
And a bet, and the man got to go near us. There
is everything at stake. Everything at stake for Sagim. And Unim say, Rich, say, who taking even off the team now? 2 teams in our class, Omunemi Omo supporters chairman, saying change. And you name from the way your local football environment in the Tiano. Rich, matches be say supporters no subo Omudio. Inti 2 chairmen no, they are expected to lead their team's operations in a yeah converse support na ya ko kire say ampa dunia era idea and no ma be iti ehun komodie ni doso a full package full package, and I hope say it will live up to the expectation.
All right, even Humra insurance of 4.5 AJ ministers say it will never happen. Hearts of Oak will celebrate the birthday in another huge victory over Kumasi, Asante, Kotoko Yinina Swena, Infantry Home Razia.
Bema wo Johnson ni mu pai ebikam eyawo eni moja edi akira ana wo tempampan e wo Johnson n'echi ensansa gu bema no ho edura ebeboa wo eni amuzupi oba wo bema no wo tempampan bone ewom ensuo bi fifiri mu ba etoda emu ekeka wo edura ebeboa wo eni amuzupi ubenya bi e wo pharmacy ne herbal shops nyinaa mu.
Hello.
Hello, it's a.